ABE DuraFlex is a flexible cementitious waterproofing slurry that is made of selected cements mixed with graded aggregate and synthetic resins. It is non-toxic and is approved for potable water systems and provides an excellent waterproof barrier on the positive or negative side. DuraFlex has a high bond strength, has good abrasion resistance, excellent freeze and thaw resistance, and is resistant to chloride ion penetration as well. It offers a reliable application by brush, trowel or spray, is self-curing and has a low in-place cost. DuraFlex is suitable for waterproofing tanks, containers, reservoirs, new and old buildings, as well as protecting and repairing balconies, terraces and haunching concrete on roads and bridges. All surfaces to be coated must be clean and free of dust, grease, wax, dirt and oil, or any other foreign matter that might affect adhesion. Concrete might need grit blasting, while spoiled surfaces or large blowholes must be repaired with DuraFlex or an ABE-approved mortar repair system that meets approvals for potable water. Any cracks wider than 0.3 mm must be chased out to a width of 4 mm and about 15 mm in depth, then filled with DuraFlex using less liquid for a thicker consistency. Once the material in the crack has hardened, the coating can be applied over the crack. If the surface contains small blowholes of less than 1 mm wide, they do not need treatment before application, while cracks of less than 3 mm in width also do not need treatment before application, as long as the crack is unlikely to open to a greater width. No bonding or priming is necessary before applying DuraFlex, but dampening the surface is recommended. For a nominal thickness of 1 mm wet film thickness, expect to use 15 kilograms of DuraFlex per 8 square meters applied in 2 coats. A mechanical mixer must be used, such as a slow-speed drill fitted with a suitable paddle. Pour approximately 3/4 of component A, the milky liquid, into a bucket, and while stirring continuously, slowly add component B, the grey powder. Keep mixing until the mix is homogeneous and free of lumps. For horizontal surfaces such as the base of a reservoir, mix in the rest of component A. For other applications, add only enough of component A to achieve a suitable consistency. Once mixed together, a plastic thixotropic liquid is created, which is easy to apply. Be sure to use the mix within the pot lifetime. Do not apply DuraFlex if the temperature is below 5 degrees or over 40 degrees. If working outdoors, make sure that there is no chance of rain. Wear suitable respiratory equipment to make sure that you do not inhale dust. Avoid contact with both components and mixed material. Once mixed, DuraFlex is very alkaline, so use suitable protective clothing, gloves, and eye protection. When using a brush, apply 3 coats of DuraFlex to achieve a final dry surface thickness of 2 to 3 mm. Each coat must be applied at right angles to the previous coat and allowed to dry for 16 hours between coats. You can use a trowel to apply DuraFlex on a horizontal surface with a first coat thickness of between 1 and never more than 1.5 mm using a normal trowel. After a 16-hour drying time, a second coat can be applied with a steel float. Allow a full curing time of minimum 3 to 7 days. Old tiles and screed must be removed and a new screed laid with a light wood float finish. The surface must be clean, free of voids and protrusions and any contaminants. The surface then needs to be thoroughly dampened with water using a brush, roller or spray bottle. Very porous surfaces may need additional dampening. Do not immediately apply the coating, but wait until the water has soaked in and the surface is just visibly damp. All corners on the walls and floors need to be detailed with a 200mm wide alkali-resistant EcoFelt membrane that is saturated with DuraFlex. Now apply the first coat of DuraFlex with a brush and allow to dry. Then apply the saturated membrane to the right angles, overlapping by 100mm, and allow to dry for 16 hours. Continue with subsequent coats, allowing for drying time before tiling or painting. Tiles or paint may be applied directly to the surface once cured. Tools, brushes and mixing equipment should be cleaned immediately after use with ABE Super Brush Cleaner and then washed with soap and water. If you need any further information on DuraFlex, please read the instructions on the package. Visit www.abe.co.za to download the detailed DuraFlex datasheet or phone the ABE Technical Helpline. DuraFlex, the non-toxic, self-curing and flexible waterproofing slurry.